Hello out there today. Hope you're having a nice, easy, breezy day today. This is your host, Driving with Mr. Lee, with another episode of a special kind of stupid. Basically, I did a pickup delivery for DoorDash, which you can check in the link down below if you want to join up with either DoorDash or Uber Eats. Um, Basically, I had to go all to King of Prussia to the Cheesecake Factory to pick up some food for a customer, which is no big deal. I mean, like, it's my job. Went down there and I had a hard time getting a hold of somebody just to get the food for the customer. But then when I finally did get the food, I went to the counter and asked the lady, like, hey, can I get some napkins and some utensils like ketchup packets and whatever else you might have. And the lady was very ignorant. She was like, well, they didn't order no napkins. I'm like, who in their right fucking mind orders napkins? Like, I know when I order food from a restaurant, I expect napkins with my food, so I won't be messy. Like, what the fuck? Like, this little girl acted like, I don't know, like she owned the place. Like, by giving me napkins, it was going to destroy a whole world. Like, these were special napkins, which she had to keep all to herself. Like, I didn't really get the fuck. Like, I'm like, just, I run into stupid people all the time. I'm pretty sure you do too, but it's like, it's a special kind of stupid, which just, it never ceases to amaze me. Like, what's the big fucking deal about giving me a couple napkins so I can put it in the bag and give it to my customer? You know I'm here to pick up food. It's a delivery service. It's like what the fuck? Like, I hate when you go to like people's jobs, whatever, and they act like they own the fucking joint. Like, your name is now in the building. It says Cheesecake Factory, not Miss Asshole or Miss Jerkoff. And what happened to making your customers feel happy, appreciate it, whatever. I would never go to that Cheesecake Factory, period, whatever. If I do, I'll make sure I find that girl out, ask like, yo, is it okay if I have some of these special napkins again? Because this is stupid. I'm here asking like, hey, can I please get some napkins? And you tell me, basically, you don't want to give me none because the customers didn't order them. I do believe they should take drug tests. A lot of these jobs, for real, because just some shit don't make no damn sense. Like, how are you pissed off because I asked you for napkins? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But that's why I call it especially kind of stupid. Because it what was the point? Like, it made no sense. You don't gain nothing. Whatever. But other than that, just another special kind of stupid story that, for me, to you. Other than that, hope you have a good day. Drive safe. It's rainy outside. And be good to each other. And hopefully you don't run into them special kind of stupid people. You probably will. But hey, just the way I deal with them, I just think to myself, like, one, I feel bad for you. You know what I mean? Hopefully you get some help. You know what I mean? Or, I don't know, something. And two, I just feel like what the fuck? You know what I mean? Like, was giving me some napkins that hard? Did it mean so much to you? Like, was them napkins like special napkins? Like, were those secret napkins that you only give out to special people? Or were they VIP napkins? Hey, you're not VIP, no napkins for you. No. But she was really adamant and not wanting to give me napkins. Which, again, that's special kind of stupid. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to, tune in for more. Please like and share. And as always, have a good day. I'd like to thank Miss Kathy Lewis, who braided my hair for me at Indigenous Hands, not Androgynous, Indigenous Hands on IG. And like I said before, thank you very much and have a good day. If you got any comments, any stories you want me to tell, or any tips, please be sure to inbox me or leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Peace.